Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting innovations in virtual reality, Meta Quest 4. Meta, the tech giant behind the Oculus brand, is set to launch a game-changing VR headset that could revolutionize how we experience VR gaming, work, and social interaction. If you've been following VR tech, you know that Meta has been a key player in making virtual reality accessible to the masses. With the launch of the Quest series, Meta made significant strides toward a truly wireless standalone experience. Now, with the Meta Quest 4, they're about to redefine the virtual reality landscape. A quick look back. The evolution of Meta's VR tech, the journey to Meta Quest 4, began with the Oculus Quest, which set the bar for wireless VR headsets. This device was revolutionary, as it removed the need for cumbersome wires, a PC, or complex setup, making VR more accessible to everyday users. Its successor, the Quest 2, took it a step further, offering a better performance-to-price ratio, making it the best-selling VR headset globally. Meta wasn't just about adding more features, but refining the experience. But now, the next step in this evolution, the Meta Quest 4, is going to offer more than just an incremental upgrade. It's set to bring an entirely new era to VR technology. Meta Quest 4, what makes it different? The Meta Quest 4 isn't just an update, it represents a massive leap forward. One of the most exciting aspects of this new headset is its dual model approach. Meta will release two different versions of the Quest 4, a Pismo Low model designed for casual users and a high-end Pismo High model, targeted at hardcore gamers, VR enthusiasts, and professionals. This allows Meta to cater to a broader audience, from those wanting a fun VR experience to those needing top-tier performance for gaming and development. By offering two distinct models, Meta is positioning itself to dominate the VR space across various market segments. Enhanced performance and cutting-edge features. While Meta has been tight-lipped about the exact specs, credible leaks, and expert analysis suggests that both versions of the Meta Quest 4 will deliver significant improvements in performance. The base model will feature a high-quality display, likely offering improved refresh rates for smoother motion and a more immersive experience. The tracking system will also be enhanced, providing more accurate room-scale VR. For the Pismo High model, expect a boost in graphics performance, faster load times, and an overall smoother experience. The high-end version will also include advanced sensors, giving it an edge in areas such as hand tracking and environmental interaction. Meta's focus is on delivering an experience that feels seamless, with no lag or interruptions that could break the immersion. Comfortable design. A balanced experience. Meta has also been working on refining the headset's comfort. One of the most notable upgrades could be the redesign of the battery placement. Moving the battery from the front to the back of the headset could help achieve better weight distribution. This small change might significantly improve comfort, particularly during long VR sessions. When you're wearing a headset for hours at a time, small design changes like this can have a huge impact on how the device feels and performs. What about the budget option? Enter the Quest 3S. In addition to the high-end Meta Quest 4, Meta is also planning a more affordable option, the Quest 3S. This will be a more budget-friendly version of the Quest 4, potentially offering a similar VR experience, but with fewer features or slightly lower specs. Think of it as a refined version of the Quest 2 that makes VR more accessible to those who want to experience the world of virtual reality without breaking the bank. Power and performance. A new standard. Every iteration of Meta's VR headsets has improved upon the last in terms of performance, and the Meta Quest 4 will be no different. Industry insiders are expecting significant increases in raw processing power. This will result in enhanced graphics, smoother frame rates, and better overall performance. With an upgraded GPU and processor, the Quest 4 could set a new standard for standalone VR headsets, making it one of the fastest and most capable devices on the market. Modular design, customization for everyone. Another exciting feature of the Meta Quest 4 could be modularity. This would allow users to customize their headsets by swapping out parts like the head strap, controllers, and even the face interface. Instead of waiting for a full upgrade, users could enhance their current devices with new accessories, making the headset more comfortable and better suited to their needs. This flexibility is a great way to future-proof the headset, ensuring it remains relevant as VR technology evolves. The role of AI, smarter VR hardware aside, Meta is also investing heavily in artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance the VR experience. The Meta Quest 4 could come with built-in AI that helps users set up their VR space, suggest content based on personal preferences, and optimize settings on the fly. Imagine an AI that tailors the VR environment to your actions or recommends games that suit your playstyle. This kind of smart, adaptive tech could make VR more intuitive and responsive to the user's needs. Competing with Apple, Meta's strategy. While Meta is focused on making VR accessible to a wide audience, Apple is entering the VR and AR space with its own Vision Pro headset. The Vision Pro, with its sleek design and high-end features, is priced at a staggering $3,000. Meta's approach, however, is different. Instead of focusing on luxury, Meta is offering more affordable options that appeal to the masses. The Vision Pro may provide a premium experience, but Meta is looking to bring VR to the everyday consumer, offering powerful devices at a more reasonable price. Meta's long-term vision, the metaverse. The Meta Quest 4 isn't just a headset, it's part of a larger plan to create a fully immersive digital ecosystem. Meta envisions a world where VR and AR are not just for gaming, but for everyday activities like work, social interaction, and entertainment. Platforms like Horizon Worlds will enable users to connect, create, and collaborate in virtual spaces. Add to that AI-driven tools and productivity apps, and it's clear that Meta is building something bigger than just a VR headset. Conclusion: why Meta Quest 4 could be the game-changer at first glance? The Meta Quest 4 may seem like just another iteration in the Quest series, but it's so much more. With two distinct models, cutting-edge performance, AI integration, and enhanced comfort, the Quest 4 represents a major shift in virtual reality. Whether you're a gamer, a developer, or someone new to VR, the Meta Quest 4 has the potential to reshape the way we think about and interact with immersive technology. This could be the moment when virtual reality goes mainstream, and Meta is leading the charge. So there you have it. The Meta Quest 4 could be the most important VR headset to date. It's not just about technology, it's about how we play, work, and live in the digital world.